Southern Fried brings a high-energy fusion of country and roots rock, delivering an electrifying Nashville experience to venues everywhere. With gritty guitar riffs, soulful harmonies, and a foot-stomping rhythm, we light up the stage and keep the crowd moving all night long. Whether it's a classic country anthem or a rock-infused hit, we're here to bring the party and make every performance unforgettable. Buckle up for an authentic, raw, and unfiltered musical ride with Southern Fried.